good evening, good night, depending on the time you find this video. So this is a short demonstration of how you download the Richmous GhSL app and also enjoy its features. So first, you get the link, you click on it, you see it opens like this. Then you click on download. When you click on download, it will ask you to select a Google account that is linked to your device. So like zooming, I'm picking the first one. I just click on it. You wait a while, it will just, you see it has downloaded. Maybe sometimes it takes like 2-3 minutes or less, 30 seconds, 1 minute, depending on your internet strength. So if you have a better internet quickly, you can do that. So here, when I come and I click on package installer, it will follow through the process. I don't want to do the installation again because I have it on the phone already. But when I click on it, and sometimes you have to go to the settings and take allow installation from unknown source, because this is not going through the Play Store. It can sometimes block the installation. So you do that. Once you have done with the installation, you are going to have the beautiful app here. When you open, it opens like this. Yes, when you open it, because I have already installed, but when you open it will give you the option to accept the terms of agreement and other things that you may take time to read through so that you know what the legal consequence of using this app. Then it opens like this. We have the first bar up there which show everything inside the app: alphabet, lessons, quizzes, certifications. So if you want to get a certificate after learning, you can get it, numbers and practice. And it's very beautiful. So let me first begin with the alphabet. You can see the alphabet. When you open, it gives you a display of images. You can use it to learn letter A, B up to Z. The same applies to the numbers. Number 1 to 10 is in image form to make it easy for you to learn. So you see 0, 1, good. That is beautiful. Then when you want to learn from 11 going is numbers. Then it's sign for you. You can repeat it and you can also make the screen wider. 12, very beautiful. Then we come back to the lessons. So the lessons too, it has been structured. We have lesson 1. So lesson 1, all what I've already talked about, the alphabet numbers, they are free content. Once you download the app, you can enjoy them for free. When you come to the lessons to beginners lesson, you can enjoy lesson 1 for free. You learn all the words there. See, afternoon, then you move to day, it will be signing for you. You choose the word that you want to sign. If it is this one, you want to get it wide, you open it. Very beautiful like that. So lesson 1, lesson 2, you are also going to enjoy for free. But when it comes to lesson 3, you can see it's locked. Though I have paid for the premium, and you can see the indication is premium. So once you pay, it open for you. I have paid, so I just enjoy it if I want to use. Yes. So it's the same thing applies to the intermediate lesson. You have to pay before you can access it. If you don't pay, you can access it. And when you come to the theories, here that is structured according to the topics. So we have the introduction to sign language and GhSL. You open it, and as you are learning, one beautiful thing about it is as you are learning, you can just highlight what you are learning so that you can refer to it. It can be like, instead of you writing in a book or going back to your notepad to keep note some of the key things, you can just do it directly here. So assuming this is what I want to highlight, I just click, or you have to click on the pen to show that this time you are using the highlight mode. Then it shows like this for you. So this is what I want to highlight. I highlight. If it is something that I want to go further and also save it, I can copy, come to note, put it there, save. If you finish saving and you want to see, you go to the personal study. You see it has moved there. Everything that, so I will go back and show you the personal study as well. So it's structured and it makes learning actually easy. And another key feature in the app is the practice sentence. So after each lesson, there is a practice sentence there. So you click on the practice, and note the practice is also part of the premium. You pay before you can see. But you pay once, it opens all these things that I'm talking about to you. So it's not that you pay for practice, you pay for lesson, you pay for dictionary. No, you pay for lessons, it opens everything for you for a whole year. So what is your name? This is the English version. By assuming you want to, you have learned, you assume you have learned in class, so you try this yourself. That's why the GSL version is hiding. So you try it. What is your name? You try signing, but no, I've forgotten some of them. Let me check how it's signed in GSL. Then you open. So you see in GSL, this is how it's the word order is. You first sign the subject, then it follows like that before the question will come or the interrogative pronoun will come. And assuming you have forgotten how to sign your, you click on it, it gives you the sign for your. You have forgotten how to sign what, you click on it, then it signs that one for you. So it makes learning very, very easy. It applies to the same, all of them. You just click. Once you have forgotten, it gives you the sign. So that is it for the practice. And another interesting feature that you are going to enjoy is the quizzes. See, the quizzes, we have first one, we have finger spelling puzzle. We have word identification, sentence quiz, true or false, mixed quiz. Yes. So let me take you through some of them. You click on the finger spelling quiz. You have the option to select. Do you want 5 words? So we are doing 5 words now. And even with that one, you can do challenge mode. When you set challenge mode, you are not going to it's not going to show you your errors as you are doing the quiz. Just finish everything and tell you your scores. But if it is on the normal mode, it starts. So let's assume this is the word you have to spell. This is NEGATIVE, negative. So you submit and the word is negative. Then you move to the next word. Let me type it wrongly and you see what will come. So it tells you the correct word so that you can also use it to learn. It's very beautiful. And because of time, the word identification is also like that. You choose select lesson range. So let's assume you want to pick words from lesson 1 to lesson 7. Then how many questions? Do you want 15 or 10? So we are taking 10. This time, let me go for challenge mode so that you know how the challenge mode works. So you see the time is displaying there. So we sign this is what? That. More. Sports. Yes, let me just pick the answer so that you get to the end and you see what will come. Good. So it shows you your score out of the number that you pick. That one too is very beautiful. It applies to the sentence quiz, true or false quiz, and this one too is very interesting. You can use this one for a formal assessment and for any assessment too. This one to give you the option to choose. And you see when you pick beginner, it just display 1 to 10. That is the beginner level. But when you pick this one, yes, so it's very interesting. So, and the last thing that I will talk about is certification. So when you finish learning everything and you feel confident that now I have learned and I can do any GSL exams and pass, you can come for the certification challenge. You provide every details there. Then once you finish, you start your certification. By the certification, you need a code from your instructor before you can do it, because it's kind of something official and it's not allowed anytime. It should be arranged something with the instructor. And when you finish, you are going to earn a beautiful certificate like what I have here. Let me show you. It shows your scores, and you see RichmousClasses certification of achievement. This satisfies that your name will come, your index number, the school that you pass through to write this challenge with the scores you obtain, the date and everything is there. A very beautiful, you can download your certificate. Yes, so how do you enjoy all these beautiful features? You have to pay. If not, you are limited to some of the content. So let me assume I'm going to quit or sign out. You see what will come out now. So now I don't have any account. When I click on it, it comes pay in, pay before you use. When I click on dictionary, the same thing. Lessons, intermediate, you have to pay. When it's beginner, lesson 3, you have to pay. Lesson 2, I've already mentioned, is free, so you can still enjoy. So that's it. So let's say you want to pay for this intermediate. Once you click pay in app, then the amount shows. It first give you the option to create an account, and the reason is if you don't create account and you just do the payment, maybe after paying today your device may get spoiled and you have to get a new one. Once you have the account, you log in directly, all your content will come up, whatever you have done, including your personal study that you have done, or everything is going to come. So this thing has come to make GSL learning very easy, and I'm sure you are going to get one on your phone and enjoy it. At the moment, available for only Android device. Enjoy GSL forever. Bye.